Hey fam, hello and welcome to another episode of Tuesday Seeds. Today we're going to be sharing with you how some of the principles of regenerative agriculture actually apply in urban spaces, especially when it comes to keeping living roots in the ground and water runoff. So please stay tuned. Hey, how's it going, fam? We are out here at one of our farmers' place who asked us to take a look at their landscape, and they're getting a little bit hassled by their homeowners association. The homeowners association wants to see that grass looking like this and see where Ken is sitting. Our grass looks like this. So first and foremost, what we want to do is kind of take a walk and see. As you can see the ground, let me go back a little bit. Just based on it, what do you think, Ken? There's probably some runoff here.
So, hello folks. What I see here is a lot of runoff, but there's no erosion, which lets us know we can actually put down what I thought I can put down just from a picture, which is Bermuda grass seed, right? This is a Texas Small Farmers Ranchers blend that we do. We are certified seed growers, and we normally do a process called sprigging, and this is what a sprig is. And the sprig isn't actually the green part. The sprig is actually this little 2 inches down.
So Ken, can you tell them the difference between a runoff and erosion real quick?
Okay. So you see how this ground is compact? You see the waves, and that's just how the water's coming off
that spigot you see right there.
This gutter here.
Gutter,
downspout of the gutter, and it's just running straight here. And when a hard rain comes, there's too much water rolling through here and nothing to hold it together. With this grass seed, once it starts popping, it's gonna actually hold the soil together to keep it from running off. But we just have to get hopefully a few days without rain, get a chance for this seed, this blend here to catch, and we should have great results within a week.
So what you see, y'all, I'm kind of walking down. You can kind of from this angle see the slope. And now I'm going to show you, I'm gonna walk right over here and show you the water spout that we were talking about, the gutter. So as you can see, there it is. And what's happening is it's just circling right around here. And guess what? It's going right over there to Ken. So what we'll probably do, so we don't have ongoing issues with the water, is we'll probably put one of those little spouts, face it this way, reshape it around here. It'll probably come back and want to go where it has been going, but we'll probably put a little trench or a little border right here with some chips or mulch to keep it going that way versus washing off the seeds that Ken eventually plants here.
All right, so right now I'm ready to pour my seed blend. It's already pre-mixed for sure, but I just want to give you a look, show you what it looks like. Looks just like the dirt. We got like 3 or 4 different kinds of seed, all Bermuda seeds, right? Which is gonna come back, it's gonna go dormant after the first freeze, and then it's gonna come back even thicker next year. But I just want you all to get a chance to see what this blend. We have a little dried up sheep poop in here from the ranch. We have a little chicken poop. It's just a great blend, and it has what we think is a triple. We call it like an even mix. But hopefully you'll see the results of this. Trial and error. We're just shooting for it right now, and I think this blend here, this Haldane blend, is going to get it done. A lot of runoff coming here too. Look. Here's the issue. One of the other issues.
Oh yeah. So we have to reroute again, another downspout. and you can see the results with the garden and the runoff and the seed running right with it down all the way into the city gutter. We want to keep that stuff right here. So sometimes it's just a matter of knowing to walk the land or walk your yard. And the seeds that in the grass that you see, that's going to look like that over there, it's going to hold the root system. It's going to stop the runoff. A lot more simpler than what folks know. What were you going to say, Ken?
If there's still a problem, and say a hard rain comes today, it's going to wash all the seed we have right now to where the neighbor's going to have great grass. So when we come back and we see there's an issue and it ran off, we put a border coming across here that's going to bring all the stuff that comes off in. It's going to build it back up, and the soil's going to have to work to disappoint us.